Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this wireless 4-in-1 soil monitor. So basically, just stick this down by your plants that you want to monitor. Sometimes we tend to overwater our plants just because we think that they don't have enough water or whatever, not enough moisture in the soil. Something like this, real easy to just put down in there, the soil next to your plant, and figure out the indicators of how much moisture they're getting and how much they need. So this thing right here just sticks down into your soil, and we have our little stickers here too. We can monitor different, if you have more than one plant or whatever, you can kind of write down on there. This can hold up to multiple different monitors on here, I believe we can observe. And here is our little reader too. It's going to tell you sunlight exposure, basically moisture and different things like that your plant is getting. So if you're really into detecting how to plan which plants you can grow and how much sunlight they're getting and things like that, this is a nice little way to help. So I'm going to set this up real quick, go put it in one of our plants and show you how it works. All right, friends, here we are out by my blueberry plant here, and I have the sensor stuck in the ground there. It's got our time on there. Sunlight is high right now, but moisture is a little low, currently at 3%. We have our temperature there also, as well as our indicating our battery and our connection. So everything else is good. A little bit low on the moisture for the blueberry plant, so we can add some water if you want. These are really good for potted plants too, for putting that in, see how much water you have in there in the bottom. So anyway, it seems to be working quite well. This will flash, right? The plant will flash if it's below, I believe, 10%. So reminding you to go ahead and water your little plants there. Anyways, this thing seems to be working pretty good, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. When you put in the sensor, just make sure it's pretty much all the way down and that it's nice and straight. Seems to be functioning well. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. All right, here we have it in my outdoor potted plant here, and we're at 6%, and we can go inside. Okay, there's the plant right out there. And here we have still our reading letting us know, and we have our connection thing right there showing that we have a good connection there. So quite a ways away, still reading it. Everything showing the sunlight and the moisture, the time, temperature. Seems to be working quite well.